This is a 2015 Chevy Camaro SS. We're going to take the rear mufflers off and do some rear muffler deletes on the back and put some nice custom black tips on there. We're going to leave the factory resonators in there, take the factory H pipe off and replace it with a custom X pipe. And we're going to see what it sounds like. Okay, we're back. We've got the mufflers deleted with the nice 4.5-inch black tips, as you can see, with the X pipe on there, factory resonators. Let's see what it sounds like.